Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit gas tank step by step. Start by parking safely, turning off the engine, and engaging the parking brake. Walk to the driver's side rear quarter panel and look for the fuel door. If the fuel door is stuck, sit in the driver's seat and check the footwell for a manual release lever. If you find a lever, pull firmly while someone else opens the door from outside. Approach the exterior fuel door with gentle pressure and test whether the latch is spring-loaded. Press the outer edge lightly and listen for the click that indicates a push-to-open mechanism. If the door yields, swing it open and secure it while fueling. If it resists, inspect around the seam for frozen moisture, dirt, or corrosion, and use safe de-icing or cleaning methods before attempting to force it open to avoid damage. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear vehicle tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your van smelling great after a day on the road. It sticks to the vent and lasts for weeks. I find it perfect for removing fuel or garage odors, and it's a simple, inexpensive upgrade. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sit in the driver's seat and sweep the footwell and lower dash for a small lever labeled for the fuel door. Grip and pull that lever with steady force while someone stands outside to open the door if it does not pop free. If the lever seems broken or absent, avoid forcing panels and instead consult your vehicle manual or use alternative access points like trunk area releases on certain models to prevent interior trim damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.